Hello and welcome to another thegeekadvisor.co.nr Geek tutorial. This week's Geek tutorial is about how to speed up your system without downloading any software. Now, one of the most commonly asked problems is, how do I speed up my system? You've had your laptop / computer for a couple of years and it's beginning to get weighed down with all the software, etc. You've put it through the years, because you know they go for a lot. So I'm just going to show you a few helpful tips to speed up your system and bring it back to what it was when you first got it. And like I said, you don't need to install anything. It's all pre-installed on your system on every Windows computer. Now, on some of these videos they will say things like, download this software, it'll clean your registry, etc. But this is not needed. If you have a registry error, it's completely different to slowing down of your system. Registry errors are completely different. Don't make that mistake, because usually these just lead to viruses. If you have a registry error, I would advise you to use the check disk command in the command prompt to resolve these errors. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to your start menu and go to disk cleanup. So click disk cleanup icon. Select the drive you want to clean, and that will calculate how much memory and space you can gain back from dumping all those old files that are non-needed anymore. Okay, now I did this earlier and it was about 6 gigabytes, so it just goes to show you in a matter of hours at 1.24 gigabytes. Now normally if you've never done this it will be massively high. If you have, it will still be around normally quite a lot. So select everything, okay, and then just select OK. Select delete files. Now these do not delete your files as such, they delete temporary internet files, recycling bin, log files, command files, etc. Files that are never needed. They're files, but in a way they're not files because you never open them or see them. Okay, that's finished. The second thing is to do a disk defragment. As you can see, you click on that one. Okay, now I already set this to run earlier, so it's currently running. So what you do is, when you first open this, you'll have two buttons: Analyze, Defragment. Now the Analyze button is only to see whether it's needed to do it or not, but when you click on the Defragment button, it will reanalyze it again just to check that it's got it right. Okay, when you check the Defragment button, it will automatically start relocating all the memory. What it does is it groups the memory in what it's related to, so the system can find it easier, so it creates less cache. It doesn't have to have more files being used up just to tell it where this is stored, etc. So it's on pass 3, it's 87% done. This can take a while. You know, you can do either drive to see your recovery if you've got a recovery drive. Yeah, it can take, you know, even if you do it every week or so, it still can take a while. Okay, so now that we've done that, the last thing is the downloads folder. So just go to your System Explorer and go to the downloads. Now there was a lot of stuff in this earlier, but I again went through it. I shouldn't have, I should have left it for you guys, but generally just click on everything that you don't no longer need, because if you download something like a software and you install it, the installer is saved in this folder. which means they build up and up and up and up. Earlier I got an extra 5 gigabytes from a week's worth of download, which is a lot if you pile up the weeks and you've never done it. Okay, so that's the last of my helpful tips. If you do these once a week, your system will last a lot longer and be in a lot better shape and perform a lot better. You will notice a difference. I can almost guarantee that. Okay, so if you need any other advice, please visit our website at www.thegeekadvisor.co.nr. Until the next Geek tutorial, thank you for watching. Please comment, rate and subscribe.